هل لك سر عند الله.
He is the Almighty and the owner of the entire universe. Whatever Allah wants to do, He can do it. I love you, Allah. Oh Allah, my humble thanks to you for the blessings I have been given from you. Alhamdulillah. This is the end of the story. I'm hungry, sister. There's some snack for us. Oh, I like it. Wait, brother. You have to eat with your right hand, not the left one. Oh, I forgot. Jazakallah, sister. You have to say the dua before eating. Oh, I forgot. Because in the hadith says, Bismillah Wa'ala Barakatillah. Take the name of Allah before eating and eat with your right hand. I know the hadith too. Bismillah Wa'ala Barakatillah. Take the name of Allah before eating and eat with your right hand. Well done. Bismillah Wa'ala Barakatillah. When you forget to say the dua of eating at the beginning, then you should say when you remember, Bismillah awwalahu wa akhirah. So we finished. Do not forget to say the dua after eating. Alhamdulillahillazi at'amana wa sakana wa ja'alana minal muslimin. So please do not eat with your left hand. We use our left hand to clean ourselves in the toilet. Always take the name of Allah before eating. Shaitan shares the food of those who eat without saying the name of Allah. That's all for today. I hope you will learn the hadith and follow it. Please eat with your right hand and read the dua before eating. Bismillah wa kul biyaminik. Take the name of Allah before eating and eat with your right hand. Allah Hafiz. 29. If something bad happens to us, it happens for a good reason. Why things happen to us even if we cannot understand why? Islam. I love to do this one. Prophethood and the people of God. Many years after the great flood of Nuh, there lived a group of people called
هل لك سر عند الله.